What's up, gang? It's autocross day. Let's get going. So this is a little thing I like to do, is I count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25. If there was another one, I would count the next box. Whole point of it is to make sure one part of the slalom doesn't get tighter compared to the others. Sometimes they'll do that. There'll be like a 25, maybe it'll be like a 30, 30, 20, 30, 30. So they'll throw that anchor in there to slow you down. This is new though. We don't normally do a loop like this, but this is actually going to be kind of fun. My car is going to be understeering like a mug. Got to get your EP3 out here when it's ready.
Dude, for real.
You don't have to have like coilovers and all the other stuff.
Dude, it has so much body roll.
Yeah,
it's
but
not even okay.
dude, wait till you see like people in like street class and stuff, and they're absolutely hanging it out there, like body rolling freaking half a foot or more, and then they're lifting like the outside tire.
Oh God.
All right, second run group's almost over, so it's almost time to run. Putting on the knockoff Pro Spec Ken Block Gymkhana shoes. R.I.P. Ken. But I do like driving in these. I got them from China. It's rotating really well. The Carceps bar is handling. Still got some understeer, but first run out, put a P1 run down almost by 1.7 seconds. Been holding the lead. I got one run left, so I'm gonna do a little bit of experimenting. Probably the first run I ran 35 front, 35 rear, and the car just really seemed to like it, even though typically with understeer heavy cars, you want to run more pressure in the rear. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna try square tire pressures again and see how the car does. Yep, right at 33 front. So third run group, I am sitting 8th in packs for the entire event, which is really, really, really solid. The pro class hasn't run yet. They run 4th. I'm sure they will bump me down, but I'm hoping to get like a top 15 packs finish. And for raw time so far, I am sitting 12th in raw out of 180 people. So we're not doing too bad. We're not doing too bad. The Type R rips. So as we sit here in the grid, intake air temps are getting up to 160s, 170s right now. They actually are running a little bit better with the AC on. They're staying lower, so that's a cool little thing to know. But yeah, out on course, intake air temps like 140. So I'm definitely probably losing 10 to 20 horsepower out of this thing with how hot it is today. My first run was a 49.316, and my last run was a 49.375. I thought I ran a 49.4 that. See, like out the box, cold tires, 35 psi front rear, the thing just ripped. I mean, the car's not heat soaking.
Yeah.
It's I think like your first 2 runs is really when you got to get it done in Texas. It's just so hot. Your tires are greasing out. Your engine's losing power due to the heat. Look, we're sitting at 161 right now, sitting here.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot, boy.
First place though.
First place, dubs, baby.
Yo.
So for the second event ever in the Type R, it handled well, it did great. We're not gonna stick around for the trophy because it's really just a little fridge magnet, like a number one for the fridge. I don't need that. I'm just happy with how the car performed, and as always, stay boosted. Peace out.